Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my small haul, and this is such a special haul to me because aside from the Happy Planner, Erin Condren, and cloth and paper, this is the first time that I've actually bought from small businesses because it has always been just Happy Planner stuff. And just recently I got into cloth and paper and Erin Condren for a little while. So this is officially my first ever small business haul, and I'm super excited because I've been so inspired by everything that I see on Instagram. Everything is just so beautiful and so pretty. So I was officially influenced and I quickly went down the rabbit hole because this is only a few purchases that I made recently. So I still have some on the way, but the struggle is real. I am officially obsessed with ordering online from Etsy and just smaller shops. So I went ahead and just kind of sliced this open. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Okay, so like I said, it was a small haul, and this one is from Top Paper Co. And I fell in love with everything that I saw from them as soon as I saw it, and they were actually doing either a restock or a release of new items, and I was immediately sold on it. So let's take a quick little look as to what's in here. So the first thing that I see are some page flags. So we have this one, and this one is in Sweet Peach and just some plain page flags. And how pretty and minimal is this? So I went ahead and got it in the Sweet Peach, and then I also got it in the Pumpkin Spice. Like, how pretty is that color? It's going to be amazing for fall. And then I also got it in the Marshmallow. So it's just a nice cream off-white type of color. So very, very pretty. And then I got Green Tea Latte. That is such a pretty color. This will go well with some of the Happy Planner stickers or just alone in general. Very pretty. And then I also got this cinnamon one. And it's more of a burgundy type of color. Very, very beautiful and perfect for fall. And then the last one that I got was Strawberry Milk. This shade is so pretty and very, very cute. So these were the 6 page flags that I got, and like I said, I'm not sure if these were a restock or just something brand new to her shop, but as soon as I saw them, I was sold on it and I had to get every color that she had. And then here, let's see, we have some dots. So I do see a thank you card. So that is always nice and appreciated. And a little sweet, a little savage. And this freebie, because I did use Brittany's code, so this was her freebie included with my order. So thanks for that. I'm always looking for codes that I'm able to support as a PR girl, so I did want to make sure that I used someone's code. And so then I did get these dots. So we have this one right here, and this one is Café con Leche, and this is such a pretty and neutral color. I am in love with this one. And then I have 2 of those, and I ordered 2 of these ones, Strawberry Milk, such a pretty pink color. So I made sure to get 2 of these and 2 of these ones as well. They're just so pretty and I'm loving the look of these. So I love everything that I received. And then she did have some pens available, but those went really quick. They sold out so quick, so I wasn't able to get those, but I am so glad that I was able to get these page flags and these dots as well. So now I want to open this one. So this one was from Caffeine Paper Co. And I don't think I opened this one, so I don't know how hard it's going to be to open this. So I might just use some scissors. Okay, so that was pretty easy. And so then we have these ones, and oh no, they're a little bit bent from here. But yeah, that was everything. So they are a little bit bent, but these ones, I really wanted these ones for my mini happy planner and my half letter planner because I really didn't have any of these. And I know that these ones did come unpunched because that's what it said on the description, so I knew that. So I love these. They're nice and they're simple. And then I have got the same ones, but in the half letter. So I'm a little bummed that it is kind of bent from here, but of course it wasn't her fault. It's the post office and how they're handling their packages recently, and I just got them with monthly and weekly up here. And I chose this font because I think there's 3 that are available to choose from, so I did choose this one. So I do love these. I can't wait to add these ones to my planners, and I really loved what I picked out from Top Paper Co. So I will be ordering from them again. I think everything that they have is so pretty and so minimal, and I just love everything that I got. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.